Something big is coming. For weeks, everything about DJ I felt off. No leaks, no whispers, no cryptic teasers, just silence. Then, out of nowhere, that silence cracked. Igor Bogdanov dropped a mysterious post on X, hinting that something big was stirring behind DJI's closed doors. "Everything is quiet for now, but there is something coming," he wrote. And just like that, the calm turned into chaos. Moments later, Mauro Tandoi added fuel to the fire with what looked like a leaked test application for the long-awaited DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Suddenly, it wasn't just rumor, it was real. Then came the twist. At Quadro News dropped a leaked Chinese NDA titled DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Safety Guidelines. Hidden inside? Proof of a full redesign. Not a small upgrade, but a smarter, lighter revolution that could redefine pocket filmmaking forever. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 stands out with its refined design and impressive portability. Weighing approximately 116 grams without accessories, it's noticeably lighter than the Pocket 3, which came in at 179 grams. The new model measures 145 by 38.3 by 30 millimeters, making it taller, slimmer, and thinner overall. A clear step toward a more compact and travel-friendly profile. Its sleeker construction and ergonomic refinement make it especially appealing for vloggers and creators who value comfort and ease of use during long shoots or on-the-go filming sessions. The document also contains strict battery and safety guidelines, suggesting DJI is entering final testing phases before certification. From warnings about overheating and disassembly to firmware update notes, it reads like a manual ready for production. That alone signals how close the product might be to launch, potentially late 2025 or early 2026. But what's fascinating is what the document doesn't say. There's no mention of the camera specs, the true heart of the Pocket line. That silence is deafening. No word about a dual camera system, no 50-megapixel sensor, no 4K 240 frames per second capability, and no mention of the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0. These were all previously linked to an August 2025 prototype leak featuring asymmetrical lenses. So, has DJI gone minimalist, or are they hiding something bigger behind the NDA curtain? Pocket 4 versus Pocket 3, the physical evolution. When comparing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the leaked Pocket 4, the first thing that jumps out is the drastic reduction in weight. The Pocket 4 drops nearly 35%, down from 179 grams to 116 grams, a huge leap for handheld creators who film for long stretches. Its dimensions are refined too, standing slightly taller at 145 millimeters, but slimmer and narrower overall, giving it a more balanced, ergonomic feel. The Pocket 3 was known for its rotatable screen and 1-inch sensor gimbal head, features that gave it power but also bulk. The new, streamlined Pocket 4 frame suggests DJI has re-engineered the device to optimize stability, comfort, and portability, perhaps shifting some components internally or using a lighter gimbal architecture. If this is true, DJI might finally have struck the perfect balance between pro-level capability and true pocket-sized design. What it all means. The appearance of a finalized safety and battery document is no small event. It indicates that DJI has moved past the conceptual phase into hardware testing, a stage that usually happens just months before launch. The reduced weight might represent a base model, with a heavier Pro variant, the one rumored to feature dual lenses and 8K video, coming later. Meanwhile, DJI is reportedly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory, hinting at preparation for the Pocket 4's arrival. Pricing is expected to land between $699 and $799, depending on region and configuration. Battery life could extend to around 180 minutes, with improvements to low-light performance and integrated audio systems. A clear message to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo that DJI isn't stepping back from the compact camera race. So, while DJI remains silent, the leaks are speaking loudly. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a signal that DJI's next leap in handheld innovation is already on the runway. Something small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful is coming. And this time, it might just redefine what pocket camera really means. Let's talk about DJI Action 6 versus Action 5 Pro.
The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced Rocksteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered Horizon Steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, however, promises 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration. The choice is yours. Stick with the trusted Action 5 Pro or embrace the futuristic Action 6. So, which side are you on for your next adventure? So tell me folks, what will it be? Will you stick with the dependable Action 5 Pro, or are you ready to leap into the future with the Action 6? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle isn't over, and your next adventure deserves the right camera.